Today I am going to tell you about the very important topic about the mobile phone radiations. So these radiations are, whether it is harmful or not harmful, it is a debate, but maximum people knows it has a problem. Radiations are created by any phone. So what is the solution? So when you buy a new phone or any phone, so on the box SAR value is mentioned. So it is very important to know that SAR value. So in India and USA, the SAR value is basically 1.6 watts per kg. It is norm. Whereas in Europe, it is mentioned 2.0 watt per kg. But here also there are two types of values, one at the head, second at the body, means hand, wherever you keep your phone. This value differs. The most important factor of SAR at the head is very important. So any manufacturer, whether it is an iPhone, whether it is a Samsung, they want to sell it to any other country, they have got a telecom of Indian government, they have got a norms. If that value, if it exceeds more than 1.6, they cannot be sold in India. So it is assuming that the phone is under control. But however, it depends upon your usage. If you daily talk about 10-15 minutes on a phone or half an hour, or if you get a call also, or you are calling someone else also, there are lot of heat is radiations are generated. So it is huge amount of radiation when you put it near to the your ears. So then what is the solution? Solution is number one. So you have to talk at least 5 to 10 mm away from your ear, so that the radiation's effect will be less. Number two, either you have to use wired earphones, so that it will not affect the radiations. Number three, you have to use anti-radiation chips. There are a number of chips are there. So basically I have got this one, Rad Block. You might have heard the name of this. Yuvraj Singh is giving the advertisement for this. These people are claiming 99% SR level can be reduced. So again it is a debate, because cell phones are so important and it is innovation. Everybody is a part of life. We can quit the smoking, but we cannot quit the phone, because it is a part of our life, because calls are there, messages are there, emails are there, camera is there, calculator is there. So everything is there in, torch is there, everything there in only one phone. So we cannot quit it. So then we have to use a anti-radiation chip. But again it is a debate here, because I have watched lot of YouTube channels, read the newspapers. Uh, Basically, I am also engineer. I have gone through all those things. I was also thinking that if you have put it anti-radiation chip also, it doesn't make any difference. And there are any good YouTubers also, they are telling there is no use. But it is a once again a market gimmick. क्योंकि फ़ोन वी कैन नॉट लिव इट बिकॉज that is a part of our life. So whether to believe on anti-radiation chip is a question mark. So when I was searching on basically on YouTube, so Rajiv from NDTV, he mostly does all gadgets reviews on the channel. So there I found one particular this topic only regarding on anti-radiation SAR values. So the lady who manufactures, I think, this type of chip, they were actually debating each other. So at that time, what happened? She told ki bhai, I will show you here only how it affects or not. So testing started. Then Raju, she told ki Raju, just stand like this. So stood like this, and a lady came, and one hand she wanted to push it. So it does not come easily. Then she told him to use his phone in one hand, right hand he put it like this, and this hand he took like this. So then he started pushing this hand, but this time this hand came easily down. Then he asked the question, so is there any effect? Means yes, there is a signals, connections are there, so that's why it has come. Then she has given her phone to him, so he put again in right hand, left hand it doesn't come easily. So he asked why this phone and that phone. She told me I am using anti-radiation chip, so that is the reason it is not coming. Then he asks next question also. Basically he asked about whether this will affect the signals of the mobile, or it will slow down your mobile or what. So she told no, it is no relation with those signals with this the heat, whatever the heat is creating or radiations are creating, that is nothing to do with this one. And lately also I found it very good, uh, the debate. So after that I got this chip, and I am using it. So please, you also use it for your benefits. I am using RAD block, where Yuvraj is. It is little bit costly. I think it is 1300 rupees or something on Amazon. But there are many anti-radiation chips are there. You have to read it, which reviews are good. So buy that one, use it. They are claiming that it is 99% radiation reduces. Okay, practically it may be reducing 90% also. It is okay. Yeah, something is better than nothing. So I think this is a very good topic. So do you like this my topic? Please subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you want a more notification on such new topics, new gadgets, so please hit the icon button so that real time notification will be coming to you. Just before this also I had reviewed one more article, so that also you can check it. After long time, and almost all after 1 month I am doing this, shooting this video. Hope you understand this. I will provide you a link of the chip, and any technical questions or anything, so you can ask me on my channel. Definitely I'll try to give you the answer. But there is a one formula is also there as per physics, what we call, what is SAR value is equal to that formula also I am able to give you on this channel. Thank you. Thank you.